This video is brought to you by Kaiser Knives. Hey, what's up everyone? Tim here from Everyday Tactical Vids. Today we're looking at the latest from Hunt Vault and also from BattleBox, and we'll be giving this entire BattleBox away to one of you viewers. Alright, we're going to start off with Hunt Vault. The first thing is the Kachula Adventure Blanket. This is what it looks like. Just a massive blanket here. It's about 6 by 6. You can see the Realtree design, and you can remove, if you want, this hood, or you can wrap it around you and put the hood on like this and bundle up. So we are in July right now, so I'm probably not going to be using this a ton in the warmer weather, but for cooler weather, this is actually my wife in the minivan. I don't think she has a nice blanket in the back, so this is going to be going into that. So she can, I mean, you can just use it for something to sit on, you know, at a picnic, whatever, and then obviously as the weather gets cooler, something to wrap yourself in. So, bump the camera there. Realtree designed, it's water resistant, and yeah, that's the first product in this month's Hunt Vault. This is item number 2. It's a case from Plano. It's a waterproof case. You can see a latch there, and a latch there as well. So unsnap those 3 and you have access into the case inside. There's the rubber part that goes on top, and then there's a little kind of rubber tray in the bottom there. I will tell you that this thing is definitely, it seals up nicely. It's got a gasket in there, and when I closed this up yesterday, actually I had it in the I had it in my car, and the car was pretty warm. So like when I opened it up, it was like psst, because it was just, you know, the air had heated up in there, and so it's it absolutely is a nice way to store your gear. Got some rubber feet here on the bottom, you can see. And I will tell you that I looked at Plano pretty much every year at SHOT Show and wanted to connect with them, but just haven't had a chance to do so. I love ways to store and organize my gear, and here's one of the products. They also send you a smaller version, which we're to look at right now. So here's the smaller version, just one clip on this one. But again, it's got a gasket inside there. It's got the little rubber base inside. And yeah, you can store gear. It does come with this little lanyard when you are out canoeing, kayaking, that type of thing. So another way to keep your gear dry and to keep it organized. Next up, we've got this, which is from Gerber. This is the Paralite clip folding knife, and it's got, what do they call the color here? Rose. It is 5CR13 is the steel. I've got a video on the Gerber Index that we'll be talking about soon. And this is, yeah, I mean, they've got a lot of knives coming out with different colors. I'm going to be giving this one away. So tune into our Facebook page, Everyday Tactical Vids, and be looking for a giveaway with this knife. Next up here, we got this, which is the McNett Tactical Microfiber Towel. It does come with a little mesh case there with a zipper on it to, or mesh bag to keep it, you know, stored. When you open it up, it is quite large, just to show you. Ooh, it's large. Yeah, it's big. So we're looking at about, you know, 6 feet by about 3 feet, and you know, just to dry off when you're, you know, maybe you're out hiking, want to wipe yourself down, maybe you wash yourself off and you're going to dry off your face. It can double in a lot of ways. You could use that as a shemagh scarf, just general cleanup. This is the XL, so it is 62 inches by 35 inches. Just says it right there on that little tag there. The other great thing about these is you hang them up and they dry out really quickly. So I always bring one of these when I go camping. I have a smaller version, not by the same company, but microfiber towel. Great for, you know, wiping your face down, drying even out cooking gear, things like that after you clean it. So that's the next item, and we got, I think, one more here from the Hunt Vault. Last up we have this, which is from Exotac. It's the fire sleeve. By and large, I do like Exotac's products. This one, honestly, I'm not a huge fan of. You put your lighter inside it. There's a little image there, and I'll put a link at the end to a bunch of Exotac products that I reviewed. This was one of the items. The idea is that it keeps water from getting into your lighter, which is good. I just found that when you put that lid on and you squeeze it down, after you put the lid on, it starts to just kind of go like this and kind of pop back up. I don't know if it's the angle or the pressure or whatever, but yeah, it just doesn't stay as sealed as I would want it to. It still stays sealed, but it doesn't stay all the way down to the bottom there. Kind of when you put it on, it starts to go like this and bump up a little bit. So if you get one of these, you know, I would put paracord there and run it through the bottom so that in case they do get separated, it doesn't get wet. But again, overall, I do like Exotac products. It's not a terrible product, it's just not my favorite from them. So that's everything from this month's Hunt Vault Elite box. And now we're going to move on to looking at the battle box, which again, we're giving the entire box away to one of you viewers. All right, so moving on to battle box. First thing I want to tell you is that this month, which is for July, is connected to their Just One project. So here's the card, here's information on the Just One project. And basically what happens is they take proceeds from this box to help just one veteran, and boom, impact somebody in a really significant way. So I just think that's cool, you know, and that's also why I'm giving this entire box away, just as a thank you to BattleBox, a thank you to you guys for viewing. I just think it's cool that they're making an impact in people's lives. So let's talk about at the basic level. First item is our Halo gun magnets. And what you do with these is they're rubber, like a rubberized coating on them. You can attach them to a pistol and then attach the pistol to like a cabinet. Some people use it in a firearm, in a vehicle, attach their firearm to, like, you know, the center console. Basically, it's a way to take a pistol, for example, or if you use multiples, you could do it. It looks like you could use like a rifle, strong enough for all handguns, shotguns, and rifles, and then, you know, mount it somewhere so it's metal, your gun, and then the magnet, and then metal, and you can mount it up. So that's your first item. We have another item, which is the Active Shooter and Mass Casualty DVD from the Survival Summit. This is Tim Kennedy right there with Sheepdog Response. On the back, it talks about gun fundamentals, stress-induced firearm training, eliminating the threat, situational awareness, caring for the wounded, legal thoughts from an officer, and office shooter takedown. So lots of information in the it's a little washed out there in the DVD. That's our second item. Third item here is nano-infused RAND CLP non-toxic cleaner, lubricant, and protectant. This is for your firearm, and I believe these guys are based out of Connecticut. Yeah, USA based out of Connecticut, if I remember correctly. Fourth item is shooting target 7, make them ring. You can see got one of the steel targets in there, so this is for training. You know, you hang it from your chains, and when it hits, it dings and swings. I guess that's what we're gonna say. And then the last item, a lot of items here. Last item is the Just One project patch. So this is all at the basic level, and let's move up to the next level now. All right, the advanced level, we have 2 items. The first one is this. This is from the Rustic Flag Company. So that's the item, and yeah, made out of wood. See the Just One project information there on the back. And then the other one is the Just One project glass with the bullet there. That's kind of cool. It's kind of just a unique thing. So these are the 2 items from the advanced level, and that's going to be given away as well. Okay, at the pro level, we have this, which is an aluminum wallet. It's RFID blocking. I don't want to take it out of the bag because on the back you can see it says made in the USA, and they have the it's sealed right across there, so I'm gonna have to rip it. I started to remove it, it didn't come off easily. So basically, let me just show you what it looks like in the bag, and if you're the winner, you can have this. Put cards in there. I don't know if you can see on this side, but there's basically, so you've got the 2 layers, and then there's a spring clip that's down like that, so as you put the cards in, they're not going to come flying out. But it's a cool item. You got the American flag there. You can see they got a business card inside, and on the back it says Rebranded Customs down on the bottom there. So weird lighting today, but anyhow, so this is they're saying the value for this is around like 80 bucks or so. So this is the at the pro level, and now we'll look at the pro plus level, which is going to be the knife of the month. Okay, at the pro plus level, you're going to get a knife from CRKT, and it is the Clever Girl. This is a very cool knife. Yeah, so if you're not familiar with the Forged by War program from CRKT, they help veterans who have designed knives to get the knives into production, and 10% of the money goes to the veteran, 10% of the profits goes to the veterans, 10% goes to an organization of their choice, and then CRKT gets the rest for production and all that. But just a very, very cool knife. Clever Girl, if you know that word, or that phrase, I guess I should say, that's from one of the Jurassic Park movies where they talk about some of the dinosaurs as, you know, he says Clever Girl, something like that. So yeah, so I mean, that's just a really cool knife. Here's the sheath. It's not Kydex, it's some sort of high-grade durable plastic. Lots of different mounting options. It does come with sort of an equivalent to a Tek-Lok. But yeah, that is just a beautiful knife, Persian style, and this is for the you know, this is the knife of the month at the Pro Plus level. All right, so you've seen the Hunt Vault Elite Box and you've seen the Battle Box, both from July. If you want to win the Battle Box, what you need to do in a comment below is you could say whatever you want, but I need to see the number 1776. 1776. So put that in a comment below with your comments by itself, whatever you want to do. We'll let this run for 1 week from the release of this video, and then I'm going to pick a winner, and I'm going to respond to your comment. So check back in a week to your comment and see if I've responded to you. If that's you, then you're the winner, and I'm going to pin the name of the winner to the top as well in the comment section. So check back in a week to see if you're a winner. If I tag you as the winner, you have 48 hours to respond back to me. If I don't hear from you within 48 hours, I'm going to pick somebody else to win the box. And then if you do win and get back in touch with me, then we'll email, work out the details about sending the entire box to you. So the entire battle box from July is going to one of you guys as a winner. Thanks as always to BattleBox and to Hunt Vault for sending these items along to check out and let you guys know about. All right, there you have it. Thanks for watching the videos. Again, 1776 in one of the comments below in order to enter to win from BattleBox, or win this BattleBox, I should say. Thanks as always for checking out the videos. Please subscribe to Everyday Tactical Vids if you have not done so already. Like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter, check us out on Instagram, Tumblr, and Vero as well. More videos coming soon. Take care.